Hello, and welcome back to the Home Bookkeeper YouTube channel. If you're a business owner wondering, should I keep doing my own bookkeeping, or is it time to hire someone? Or if you're a future bookkeeper trying to understand why clients reach that tipping point, this video is going to be for you. Today, I'm breaking down DIY bookkeeping versus hiring a bookkeeper, the real pros and cons of each, and how to know which option actually makes sense for your stage of business. This isn't about fear. I'm just here to give you a little bit of clarity from a bookkeeper. Your bookkeeping impacts your taxes, your cash flow, your stress levels for one, and your decision-making ability. Choosing the wrong approach does not just cost money. It really costs time, energy, and peace of mind. So let me walk you through both sides honestly. Let's start with DIY. DIY bookkeeping usually means you manage QuickBooks yourself. You categorize transactions, you reconcile your own accounts, and you prepare reports for tax time. The pros of DIY bookkeeping are obviously it's a lower upfront cost. If money is tight, DIY feels more accessible. Number 2, you have full control. You know exactly what's happening in your books, at least in theory. And number 3 is educational. You learn how your business finances work. Now here are some cons of DIY bookkeeping. It's very time consuming. Bookkeeping takes longer than most people expect, especially without training. And honestly, that's why I have a job. For me, as somebody who's experienced and my brain works in the way it needs to work in order to understand accounting and bookkeeping, my job is to give business owners time. Number 2 is there's a higher risk of mistakes. Misclassified expenses, missed deductions, duplicate entries, it all adds up. Number 3 is stress and avoidance. This is when most business owners reach out to me. And many of them delay bookkeeping because it really does feel overwhelming. If you don't have an accounting brain, then this is just going to look like a foreign language to you. But for somebody who understands it like me, I can be an assistance. And finally, limited financial clarity. DIY often results in technically done, quote unquote, books, but not truly useful reports. DIY works best when your business is very small. Transaction volume is low. You enjoy and understand financial work, and you're willing to learn and grow. Now, option 2. Hiring a bookkeeper. Hiring a bookkeeper usually means monthly reconciliations, accurate categorization, clean financial reports, and ongoing support and oversight. The pros of hiring a bookkeeper are accuracy and consistency. Your books stay clean month after month as long as you work with your bookkeeper. You save so much time, and that time gets back into you being able to run your business. You reclaim those hours that you once spent on bookkeeping every week to focus more on what you do. Number 3, reduce stress. You're no longer guessing or avoiding your finances. And number 4, better decision making. Clear reports help you understand what's really happening in your business. And finally, tax-ready books. Your accountant gets clean, organized records with no scrambling at tax time. Now, the cons of hiring a bookkeeper. There is a monthly cost. Just don't forget that there is an investment involved anytime you outsource any service for your business. However, what you do pay your bookkeeper is all tax deductible. Number 2 is trust and communication. You need to share access and communicate clearly. Do not let client requests from QuickBooks Online go unfulfilled. That is the biggest struggle, is getting requests fulfilled and documents sent every month. Not all bookkeepers are the same. Finding the right fit really does matter. Think of a bookkeeper as a business partner. Hiring a bookkeeper makes sense when you're behind on your bookkeeping. Your business is growing. Bookkeeping causes you stress, or you really just want clarity and not more guesswork. Now here's the part most people overlook. DIY bookkeeping costs too. Your time, your mental energy, potential bookkeeping errors, missed deductions, and higher cleanup fees later on down the road. Hiring a bookkeeper costs money, but often saves you money in the long run. Ask yourself as a business owner, what is my time worth? DIY bookkeeping might be right for you if you're in an early startup stage. You have very simple finances, and you generally enjoy learning bookkeeping. Hiring a bookkeeper might be right for you if you're overwhelmed, if you're unsure about your numbers, your business is growing quicker than expected, and you want consistent financial clarity. There's no right answer, only the right answer for right now. Choosing between DIY bookkeeping and hiring a bookkeeper isn't about capability. It's about capacity. At some point, your business deserves systems that support the growth instead of stress. If this video helped clarify your decision, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe. Whether you stay DIY for now or hire support, clarity is always the goal. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you never miss an upload. And if you need private QuickBooks Online coaching or bookkeeping and payroll management, feel free to visit edjconsultinggroup.com. My firm is fully inclusive and ready to help you along wherever you may be in your entrepreneurship or personal wealth building journey.